Howdy and welcome to my channel today. Today we're going to work on sprouting some pecans. Let me show you how to do how we do that. So without further ado, we're going to get started. Let me adjust the camera. Okay, now with the camera adjusted, now we can see these. We got these pecans here. Been soaking them in water to get them a little moist. Alright, cracked a couple of them. Left those over there. These are paper shell pecans. You see how big they are. Well, my mother was wanting me to see if I could grow some of these from seeds so we get some more pecan trees. So we're going to try to grow these out. These are really soft shell. They're easy to crack. You can just take them and crack them. Those three have already been cracked. So we're just going to take these and crack them real quick. Show you how simple they are. You just take them two in your hand. That and just cracked. So just want it to crack a little so we get them to sprout. That popped, cracked. That's cracked. It's easier to do it with two instead of trying to mash them. Use one. Which one cracked? Which one of these cracked? I heard it. This one. This one. Alright, let's get these two. That one cracked. I don't think this one did. No, it was this one. Wasn't that one. Anyway. Maybe I can get this out breaking. Alright, got that in crack. Alright, we have a thing here. So these are some I just started doing a little bit earlier. They're already in here. We're going to take these now, put them here just like we did these. Hopefully, most of these will take. Now you really don't have to cover them up. They should just sprout. Fairly simple, so I'm hoping to get a good bit of them sprouted. Maybe not all of them, but let's see how they turn out. Now, I have some already done. They're outside. I'll be showing in a minute. So let's go have a look at those. They've already started growing pretty good. Okay, now we're outside. Here's some. I'm sure you can see them in the camera, but here's some that I done a while back. You can see these sprouted real good. They rooted. We got 4 in this one right here. See, these are still sitting on top of the soil. They're half in the soil and half out of the soil, just like the ones I showed. These are too. You can barely see them right here. This one's covered up a little bit, but these are sprouted and come up pretty good. So this is another variety than the ones I just done, but it really doesn't matter. Just these are harder to shell than the other paper shell type big pecans. These are smaller. But those four are rooting, growing well, sprouting. These are sprout. This is trying to, well, it looks like this is trying to die on me. You can see this one right here. Got a good sturdy base on it, but I think it's going to die. This one's doing well. It's seated in there good. It's down in there good. So maybe I'll get some pecan trees from these. I don't really know where I'm gonna plant them if I had them. But these are about, I would say these are probably about 45 days in, at least. Maybe a little bit longer than that, since I put these in here and started sprouting them, try to grow them. But we'll see what happens. Maybe they'll grow good if I don't forget about them. So, well, alright. I think that'll probably do it for this video for this time, for now. Maybe we'll get back and we'll check on them later and see how good they're doing. Have an update sooner or later. Alright, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching.